So, hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, and Merry Christmas. It is the 1st December today, and now you're probably wondering, hey, for the vlog you should open a present, and that would just be perfect if you have received a present, even though it's the first. Hey, I did a little something that I want to show you guys. So 2 seconds. So something that I have in my bag right here is pretty awesome. It is pretty cool. Now you can maybe see up in this corner. You might know this logo right here. It's from the man himself, the House of Chop, man. We got it right here. The House of Chop sent out a little something. I think I know what this is, but let's just act like I don't and be surprised and like, oh, you knew that was the thing I wished for Christmas and that, well, you know. Look at this. Look at this. The House of Chop, my boys. Thank you for the support, Chop. Awesome. Look at this. We got 2 awesome ticklers right here and the House of Chop logo. I love this logo, by the way. It's an awesome logo. And we got these 2 right here. That's pretty cool. So I actually been talking to some of you guys about a PO box, so some of the generous viewers can send out a few things to the shop and stuff. And then of course thought, yeah, that could be a great idea. Now we need a place to hang up stuff. I was thinking this, like it's cool, silver, and it's like perfect for putting things up. I don't know. Let me know in the comments why we should hang stuff up like this that people send out. It could be pretty cool to have like a wall dedicated to all this. I was thinking about just starting this heater box right there, just like, you know, cover it up, sticker bomb it. But hey, let me know in the comments. I'm not quite sure. There's not really any other place that we can do it. So guys, I think we're gonna start off by sticker bombing this thing right here, and then at some point when it probably is gonna be filled up, then we're gonna change the location. So these 2 bad boys are gonna go up right here. So let's see. Let's put a pig up here. A little piglet right here. There you go. Awesome. Really cool, man. So let's put this right here in the middle. There you go, fam. That looks awesome. Now we're just gonna get the whole thing filled up. So yeah, Merry Christmas to you guys, and in today's video we're gonna try to see if we can finish up the firewall. I'm not gonna film too much because the last video I filmed a lot of like small bundle stuff and, you know, kind of boring stuff, but a real quick rundown of what we're gonna do, and I'm just gonna show the firewall here so I can tell you guys what's going down. Pretty much it's gonna be the same thing as on the other side. That's what's gonna happen. Gonna cover up a few holes, crevices and dents in the firewall, and then of course the whole body line in the right side is what I'm gonna try to do as well. Then I'll paint the whole thing and I'll return to you guys. Real quick what I'm talking about, we had a low spot, a high spot here, example, some small dents right here, some dents right here. This is probably like from the factory, actually, some kind of like spots that they made for some reason, I don't know. Then we got a few screws and stuff that I might gonna remove so we can get a clean surface to work on. We're gonna take the whole steering column and tape that up so it doesn't get more dusted than it already is. I totally forgot. We covered up the braking cylinder right here. Luckily this area is pretty clean and everything, so we can kind of just get that painted, because there's a lot of crevices and fuse boxes and all kinds of stuff to like grind between. And then of course we have the body line out here that we're also gonna seal up, or try to do a even better job over here at doing some bundle work. And then just paint the whole thing, and then of course clean all the way down in the corner and stuff with that awesome little drill that I showed you last video. We're gonna spray in some rust protection inside of these holes and stuff, places where we can't reach. I also did it over here. Filled up the whole hole, the entire hole with rust protect. Not that many people are gonna see this car from underneath because it's a daily driver. It's not a show car, so we want this thing to last and not to be SEMA ready, where you can put a mirror inside of the car or under the car and people are gonna be like, damn boy, I could eat off of that undercarriage, you feel me? Oh damn, I could really fancy a pizza with pepperonis right now. I should actually go get some food. Let me go grab some food and then I'll return, and then we're gonna get business or work done in this firewall right here. So guys, we bought one of these lotto coupons, if you will. Basically, there's 24 of these, right? In Denmark, by the way, there's only 24 days till Christmas, and on number 24 we also celebrate Christmas. It's not where we have the morning 25 and blah blah blah. And you can win up to 1 million Danish crowns. So that's like, I don't know, 200,000, I guess, American dollars. We got a goddamn drum. Oh yeah. I have no idea if that's good. Let's take a look right here. If I get all 7 drums, I will win $200. Oh yeah, great success. And of course, all the money is gonna go to the build. So if you guys are any time painting big areas, I recommend you buying one of these. Like, you can get them on Amazon and whatever. It's really cheap. Basically just a plastic handle or whatever with a little trigger that press on a nozzle, right? And you can just screw it on your spray can. And also makes it a lot easier to sit and, like, you know, spray like a real gun, like. It just turns out way more nice, because sometimes when you paint big areas, you get tired in your hand, and then suddenly, without you maybe self-noticing, you start to not fully like pressing down on the nozzle and stuff, and it starts to like splatter out the paint a little bit, like. See, I gotta say, I thought it was a matte, but it actually turned out kind of glossy, but it still looks good. It still looks decent. I don't know, can you guys see compared to the other side? Looks pretty nice, huh? It turned out really clean. Very damn nice. The only thing is, it's kind of glossy. I really didn't think it would get that shiny. So this is the final result, guys. It turned out really damn nice. Oh, wait up. You're missing a corner, bro. Well, yeah, it is running pretty late, and I kind of had a few troubles that I ended up going about inside the interior. I took the handbrake off, or handbrake, if you will, foot brake, parking brake, whatever. Fucking stupid American system using a brake, honestly, like, what were you thinking, right? You need a handle, man, otherwise no drifting. Well, the thing is, I ended up taking the whole console off here, right? But there's so much tension on the cable that I can't really get it out of this bracket it's sitting in. Now, I tried to go under the car and loosen it where you can like adjust it, right? So the cable would get loosed. But no way, of course. That bolt like got totally rounded and shit, so again, your boy need a standout set, but of course we got the fuse box and stuff in, so now I also gotta mask up a few holes and stuff, and I also ended up doing a bit of work in here, taking some wires out and stuff under the dash. So I just ended up doing a little bit of work that I actually wasn't supposed to do today. So yeah, that's kind of why we're running late, and it's like, I don't know, 12 PM or something right now? 12 PM, yeah, I don't have a watch here, but I'm kind of running late and I don't want to get a bad sleep schedule right now, so so we gotta go, man, sadly. But tomorrow, that whole corner gonna be painted and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna film that, because now there's been like 3 videos with just painting and sanding and doing the firewall. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see it, because it's gonna be the same process as you saw in this corner. So it's gonna be pretty much the same, seeing it get sanded down and stuff, but let me know if you would like to see it. I don't know if you guys like to see these sanding / painting videos, but look at that came out so nice. If you just cover up that corner right there, doesn't that look good? Let me know in the comments. It looks pretty good if you ask me. Now, you don't have to, of course, take your face all the way into all the details, like stick your face into the firewall and be like, oh, there's a scratch there and there's a... Enough rambling. I talk way too much in these videos, if you ask me. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. And you know, it's Vlogmas out here, Christmas vlogs. So we got the calendar, we got all these awesome things getting sent to us. It's awesome, man. Shout out to the House of Chop again, just sending in them stickers. See you later, guys.